Hi, my name's Keith Cooper for Northlight Images, and this is a short video about a new lens I've got to test. It's from Laowa, it's a fisheye, and it's on medium format. Now, fisheye, medium format, don't normally think of it. I have actually tested before the Canon EF-8-15L, f4L, on the GFX100S here, and it works very well. I'll put a link to the video I did, but I've got lots of examples of using it. But this is Laowa's 15 to 8mm zoom fisheye. Take the lens hood off there, and that's it. It's a zoom fisheye. A quick check of it shows it pretty much identical in performance to this, the Canon one. But obviously I'll take it out and have a look. One of the things about this is essentially the same lens but with a G-mount that Laowa have announced. On full frame cameras, the 15mm fills the frame, gives you a 180-degree field of view from corner to corner. On medium format full sensor, the problem with that is you get a bit missing at the edges because of the larger sensor. You ideally, to get the full frame fisheye on this would need to be something like about 8 to 20mm. And in fact at 8mm the image is relatively small circular image on that, so really you need to use this one from 11 to 15. Anything else than that you're just wasting resolution, just using the center of the sensor there. It's a nice solid built lens. It's distinctly heavier than this, which is you know, an L lens. Looking at the basics of it, I'll take it out, do a proper test on it. Some of my lens testing is delayed a little bit at the moment because we're in the process of moving house, which means I've had to pack a lot of stuff away. I will be coming back to Laowa's 100mm tilt shift lens for medium format, which is very good, but I need some kit to test that properly that I haven't got at the moment, so we're hopefully moving sometime in the next month, and we'll change that. So there we go, zoom fisheye, very useful. I've got some great photos I've taken with this one here, and also its predecessor, the old EF-15mm, which is, if you find one used for a good price, is a very good lens, and that with an adapter would work perfectly well on this. This is EF mount. If you want anything, the newer ones, RF mount, obviously can't be adapted to this, but that's it. Now, also on lens, just a few bits and pieces. Anyone who saw my looking at this Caulfield WA67, it's a medium format film camera but with shift, so it's great for architectural stuff. I've now repaired the faulty seals on it so everything fits together properly, and I will be giving it a go, and at some point I'm determined to do a test to compare this, the Fuji 30mm tilt shift lens, just testing the shift, on this 100 megapixels, 7x6 film on this with a super angle on 47mm, and I may well even test the TSE24 on this, the Canon R5. Just do a three-way shootout of them just to see how the images differ, what's different, what's good, what's not good. This obviously I use for my day-to-day architectural photography work. Nobody has yet come up with a good business case for use of film, but it's just a fascinating camera to use. So I look forward to trying this one out, and this one I know works just fine with the TSE24 on it, but I'm particularly keen to see just how good the results are from this once I learn how to use it properly. There'll be a few more videos coming on that, but immediately I'm going to be taking this one out and trying a little bit of fisheye stuff, because fisheye lenses are not the one-trick ponies that people think they are. I've produced some great looking images in the past with a combination of a fisheye lens and software to correct it. Now unfortunately some of the software I use no longer works. The company that supported it, you can't register a new copy of it anymore. But I will be looking at that, at aspects of software, when I do some more detailed testing. Anyway, just a quick update of assorted lenses, cameras strewn over my desk. If you've got any questions, as ever, please do let me know. And as I say, I will be coming back to that Laowa tilt shift, which is very good quality. How good is it compared to the Fuji 110? I have to remember these focal lengths. Tilt shift, it's probably not quite there with that. Certainly physically, from the mechanism, it feels a bit rougher, but optically, I'm going to say there's not going to be a huge amount of difference. So if you need medium format tilt shift, longer stuff for, let's say, product photography and the likes of that, still worth a try. This is the most interesting one though. Well, yeah, they're all interesting, but whatever. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.